Welcome students to my class Accountancy Simplified. In today's class, I shall discuss an important subdivision of journal, that is sales daybook. Before I start my class, I once again want to intimate my students and followers that my book on accountancy, Accounting Problem, a New Approach, is now available at Amazon. Interested students may have that book from Amazon if they like. Thank you. Let's start our class. Sales daybook or sales journal is an important subdivision of journal. It is maintained to record credit sales of goods only. We all know what is goods in accountancy: commodities or articles which are purchased with a view to resell are called goods in accountancy. So those goods, those commodities or articles which are purchased with a view to resell, if sold on credit, are recorded in this book. Cash sales of goods are not recorded in sales daybook, as those transactions are recorded in cash book, while credit sales of assets are also not recorded in this book, as those transactions are recorded in journal proper. Sales daybook is maintained in a memorandum form, and it is not an alternative of the sales account as maintained in general ledger, as sales account records both cash and credit sales. Sales account, sales daybook records in details of the credit sales of the traders in the form of name of the customers, quantity of sales, rate of sales, trade discount if there be any, taxes and duties, freight charges, etc. If there be any, are recorded under different columns in the sales daybook. So sales daybook records only the details of credit sales, nothing else. And the total of sales daybook at the end of a particular period is posted to the credit side of sales account in general ledger. So what is sales book? Sales book records only credit sales of goods, nothing else. Now we shall discuss the procedure of posting from sales daybook to sales account in general ledger. The total of sales daybook at the end of a particular period, it may be either fortnightly, weekly, monthly or annually, posted to the credit side of sales account as is maintained on general ledger, while the total of sales daybook is also posted to the debit side of debtors account in general ledger, and the details of customers account as maintained in the sales daybook is recorded under the name of different customers in debtors ledger to complete the cycle of double entry system of accounting. Now we shall discuss the difference between sales daybook and sales account. While sales daybook is a journal, sales account is simply a ledger which is maintained in the ledger. Sales daybook records credit sales of goods only, while sales account records both cash and credit sales. Sales daybook is maintained in memorandum form only, and in the state it is simply a statement as it looks to be, but sales account is maintained in a ledger form having debit and credit in both aspects of the account like other ledgers. The total of sales daybook is posted to the credit of sales account, while the total of sales account comprising of cash sales and credit sales are posted to the credit side of trading account at the end of the year. So these are the difference between sales daybook and sales journal. What are the main difference? Sales daybook is journal, sales account is a ledger. Sales daybook is maintained in a memorandum form, while sales account is maintained in a ledger form having both debit and credit side like other ledgers. Sales account records only credit sales, while sales daybook records only credit sales, while sales account records only both cash and credit sales. And total of sales demo at the at the end of a particular period is posted to the credit side of sales account, while the total of sales account comprising of cash and carry sales are posted to the credit side of the trading account at the end of the year. These are the main difference between sales demo and sales account. So this is all about for today. And before I conclude my class, I once again I will request all my listeners and followers to subscribe my channel and share and like my channel for better circulation of my videos among the students community. Goodbye.